Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This looks like it's pretty difficult, and I could have done a better job on my shadow maybe, but it's really pretty easy, and this is what we're going after right here. There's probably a couple ways you could do this, but the easiest way is to take a six-sided polygon and hit P, put it in the center page, but then rotate it 30 degrees because I want this flat side like that. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And while holding down the control button so it'll be perfect, I'm going to do that right there. To get that shape, I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill that in with that blue. I'm going to move it away. I don't very seldom ever move anything away, but I don't need it in the center. I can just do that. Left click, right click. Control D and make a duplicate. Grab that node right there with the four-sided and have it snap to that. So we got that shape. Go ahead and group it together, Control D or Control G, Control D to duplicate, and let's mirror it. Now we want this first node on that first node there. I didn't think I got it. We want that shape right there. Now I'm actually going to bring this in so you can kind of follow along, and me too. I am going to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to Control D or hold down the control button to get it perpendicular, and I'm going to have it snap right to that midpoint. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to have it snap to that intersection. Now I'm going to zoom in because it should have said intersection, but we're not there. It needs to be perfect. So let's move that down and move it till it gets right there on the intersection. Now, we're going to go ahead and delete the outsides of the line just so we won't be confused. And then just follow along here and just keep that, sweep across here, do that, and take away that line. So we have that. And I could probably actually just do one side and do that, but now we're gonna, and then flip it around. I'm just deleting lines. And this one right here. We're done. So now I'm gonna group this together so I can move it out of the way later. And it's just two fills with the Smart Fill tool. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna move that out of the way and I'm gonna get rid of my line by nudging them up. And now I'm gonna do this. Then it's just two. There's just two fills, so there's just two smart or interactive fill tool. And we'll grab the outer one first and grab the interactive fill tool and you can go right up from the top and let's put a little black in that edge. And this is where you could, you can make it your own. You don't have to, you could have different colors and different shades of green. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a little green like right in there. Yeah, a little bit too much. That looks pretty good. Then just do and you could actually probably rotate this thing and then do the opposite up there. And see, it's doing kind of all the way around. That's too much black. That doesn't look too bad right there. Now, let's see what it looks like with a black box around it. I've really enjoyed putting black boxes around things that makes things stand out back of page. And see what's good about this. If you were going to, I'm not a printer. If you were going to print this on a shirt, this way you could kind of use your interactive fill tool just to see what it was going to look like. And then that way you could change this and make it not quite so dark on that edge. Pretty cool little project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.